Hello, my friends. It's time for the daily drill with your buddy Phil. I hope you're doing well. I have given you ample time to catch up with where we were. And today we're going to have a multi-point drill, but we're looking at connection point drills. So what I would like you to do is to connect these points. Here's the first point. This is the project management plan. Now, I would like you to use as many degrees of separation as you like, but I would like you to connect this to this. How does this connect to this? I want you to explain that. How does the project charter connect to the project management plan? I want you to go a step further, and I want you to think about how the project management plan is connected to work, performance, data. Very simple. How does the project charter connect to the project management plan, and how does the project management plan connect to work performance data? Then I want you to go a step further. I want you to show me how the project management plan connects to deliverables. I want you to walk me through the process and explain it. Next, I want you to explain how the project charter connects to the final report from the project. When you're done with that, I would like you to explain further how work performance data connects to work performance reports. I would like you to explain these. All right, and this is just the first in a series, but this is enough for today. I've given you 6 things to walk through. So why don't you hit the pause button right now and begin to explain it to yourself. Assure yourself that you really understand these interconnection points. And then after that, we will go a step further and begin to put some process names around it. But I want you to hit pause. I want you to think about it. I don't just want to explain it to you, but I want you to unravel all the points and explain them thoroughly so that I truly know and you truly know that you know this stuff. Okay? So hit that pause button and start thinking. You can think about it in any order you want. I'll give you another minute to think. After a minute, I'll show you the answers. Okay, I really hope you hit pause. In order to maximize this opportunity, you got to think about it for yourself. If you have not, hit pause, do it. All right, let's start off from the project charter. So the explanation for this, how the project charter is connected to the project management plan, the answer is the project charter is an input to develop project management plan. And develop project management plan gives you the project management plan. All right, so when I ask you for these things, what I'm really asking for is the hidden connection, like so. The project charter is an input to develop project management plan, and that gives you the project management plan. How do you get the project charter? From develop project charter. Develop project charter gives you the project charter. The project charter goes into develop project management plan. Then the project management plan is an output, of course, that goes into the process known as direct and manage project work, right? And that gives you work performance data. This next one is a little bit tricky. There are 2 steps. So think about it like this. Work performance data is an output of direct and managed project work, but work performance data is an input to a number of monitoring and controlling processes outside of integration. So I'll just put here monitoring and controlling outside integration. OINT means outside integration. So validate scope, control schedule, control cost, control quality, control resources, monitor communications, control procurement, monitor stakeholder engagement, monitor risk, all those. You have work performance data going in, and each one of those gives you work performance reports. Well, I beg your pardon, let me backtrack. Each one of those goes into the process. Remember, I told you it's 2 steps. It goes into the process, monitor and control project work, which in turn gives you work performance reports. So this is the level I want you to be thinking. Project management plan, how do we get deliverables? Same thing. The connection point here is the project management plan goes into direct and managed project work, and direct and managed project work gives you deliverables. So you can think about it like this. The project management plan goes here, and from here, you get deliverables. That's how they are connected. Last but not least, we have final report. The final report is connected to the project charter in that the project charter is an output of this, and it goes into close project or phase, and close project or phase gives you the final report. So my friends, you might have chosen to illustrate it differently or talk about it a little bit differently, but the bottom line is you should be able to connect all your outputs and inputs with 1 degree of separation. In this case here, you saw that this was 2 degrees, and that's okay, as long as you can make the connection. That is what I'm keen on. Because going through the PMBOK guide without realizing the interrelationships, you're not doing it right. These interrelationships will help you cement your understanding, give you a robust perspective and idea of the entire landscape of the PMBOK guide, which of course you need for your exam. All right, thank you very much for joining me today. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you have not hit please like it and share it with your friends, and check out the entire playlist. We've got about 52 or 53 videos in there in the daily drill for you to watch. So this is not the only one, there are many more. All right, take care and talk to you soon. Bye for now.